So I'm here recording once again at NAB 2026. I'm at the DJI exhibit, as you can see, and something really interesting is happening. DJI is exhibiting their Ronin camera setup. We can also see that they're doing cinema rigs where they've got some new products that allow you to do cinematography, basically jibs and products that are mounted from a truck. But an interesting thing is that for the second year in a row, their drone products are missing. They have their gimbal stabilizer products that were for iPhones and small cameras like mirrorless cameras and such. But it's really curious. They have their Pro line drones, the Mavic and other products like that. They have their consumer-friendly drones, the new point of view drone that they just came out with. They also have products like the Mini 5 Pro, but they are completely absent. They have none of those products here at NAB, and I don't know if that means that if they're making some kind of political statement. Are they de-emphasizing the market? Because those products are used very much by photographers, cinematographers, news capturing, ENG as we call it in the industry, electronic news gathering. But they have decided to completely forego any demonstrations or any products that they have along those lines. And of course, they have high-end lines. They have large products. They have cinematography, big budget production items. They also have sub 250 gram products, but none of those are here. And so, of course, there has been talk of legislation that prevents Chinese-made drones or foreign-made drones from entering the U.S. market, but that legislation has not passed to the extent that at least existing DJI drone products are available for sale and purchase in the United States. But DJI has said, we're not going to bring these products here to the foremost broadcast and content creation industry event. And they're just gone. They were gone last year. They're gone again this year. So are they making a statement? Is it some kind of strategic move? But whatever the case might be, they are here. They have their cameras. They have their cinematography rigs set up. They have their gimbals, but there are no drones whatsoever. So let's stay tuned and let's keep an eye on what's happening with DJI in the market when it comes to camera drones. Lauren Moss reporting to you from NAB 2026 in Las Vegas, Nevada. See you soon.